viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about reinstallation of Binance Smart Chain wallet. Yes, sometimes your window is corrupted or your browser is corrupt and your wallet is not shown in front of you, and if you need to reinstall in your browser, so how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving you complete information, so please must watch this video till end. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here there is shown icon. So I'm going to first of all remove extension. Let's suppose by mistake the extension removed from your browser and you need to reinstall at your browser extension. So how can you do? Simple is that first of all you go to the open google.com and then type here Binance wallet extension, or directly open binance.com. It's depend on you. If you download through binance.com, so you must keep in your mind you are going to download the accurate or 100% correct application. If you are going to use the extension from directly search Google, so maybe some phishing software will available or extension available. So you can see here the binance.com is open in front of me, and if you need to reinstall your Binance Smart Chain wallet, simple is that go to the box area, open the DEX, first and secure decentralized digital assets exchange. Simple click on it. Now the new page is going to open in front of me. Explore the BNB chain ecosystem, the best performing decentralized economic ready for massive user access. Okay, so there is shown the download wallet. Our wallet helps you connect to BNB chain and manage your fund. So we are going to reinstall, so that going to click on download. When you click on download, so new page open in front of you. Install Binance wallet for browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave and Edge. So it's depend on you which browser you are going to use. So this time I'm going to use Opera, so that I will use Google Chrome. So before going to download the extension, you can see here multi-chain assets management. Manage your BNB, BTC, Ether, EOS, Atom tokens or BNB chain, Smart Chain or Ethereum network easily. You can easily connect your Binance account with Binance Smart Chain wallet. I already gave to information in my last videos. You can watch my last videos. Also you can see here DApp browsers. Stake your BNB to earn daily reward with an interest rate as high as 30% APR. Okay, so download Binance wallet, deposit or buy BNB, start staking earning. I will also give to information about staking in my next videos. You must watch my next video. So going to download the Google Chrome extension, and now the extension is going to download. You can see here the extension is download front of me. There's shown the option add to para, add extension. Now going to add extension on my main instruction. Going to check the suitable or not. Yes, you can see here Google Chrome extension is successfully installed, and there's option welcome to the Binance secure and trusted multi-chain wallet. Use existing wallet and create a new wallet. It's depend on you. If you have the backup, of your old wallet, so you can use this in this option. Let's suppose I have reinstalled this wallet and I need to install new create a new wallet. So I will use this option, because in my old wallet I have not deposit any amount, so I don't need to use existing wallet, so I can use new wallet. Simple click on create a wallet. There's option generate seed phrases and connect hardware wallet, so I need to generate seed phrases. Enter your password here, strong password like me, and also enter your password here, again password. You can see here my wallet password is strong. 8 more of characters, at least one uppercase character, at least one digits, and at least one symbol. You will use this password to encrypt your data. You will need to this password to unlock your wallet. Okay, I click on I have read and agree. Simple click on continue. After that, so your seed phrases will be shown in front of you. You can see here this is your seed phrases. This seed phrase is unique to your account. Do not lose it. It can be regenerated. Okay, means it cannot be regenerated. Make a backup and save it somewhere safe place. Do not use it once a mail phishing sites fund can be stolen. So please don't use your seed phrases to use in phishing site, otherwise your fund will be lost. So simple copy seed phrases and open the notepad file and also click on continue. Need to paste here seed phrases number 3, 4 and 7. Open the notepad file. Yes, and paste here. First number 3 or orange, paste here. Next is number 4 fold. Number 7 is police, I think. Number 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2. Now copy and paste here. Simple as that. Going to click on continue. So as you can see here, we have successfully reinstalled Binance Smart Chain wallet. First I download the extension, after that add in my browser. So I hope you properly understand how can you reinstall your Binance Smart Chain wallet. If you face any problem, you can mail to me my email address, and you can also comment below this video. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.